chatty children, singing mothers, people dancing to the Bayangi cultural music. The mighty Brother Solo himself doing a live presentation. And of course, loads of background preparation to be done. Those and more constituted a day well spent with the Bayangi people. Prior to the D-Day, there was a lot of work to be done, and of course the children had their fair share. Well, lucky for them, they know how to make the most out of every situation, so of course they definitely enjoyed themselves while making the work easy. Oh, and these children, don't get it twisted. Their talent, not be here, not be here. You know, hear voice now. See voice, hear voice. And of course, the women were not left out. Now, after the serious preparation, cooking, cleaning, and all of those, we had, of course, to transfer everything to the location where the ceremony was supposed to hold. Now, while in the bus, it was so fun. It was so much fun. The ladies were singing, they were chatting. Well, it was quite an experience. Ladies and gentlemen, what is a Bayangi ceremony without the Bayangi language? I present to you the Bayangi language people. This is the almighty brother Solo, renowned Cameroon gospel artist. He's doing a presentation, a live presentation at the ceremony, but of course he starts with introducing himself in the Bayangi language. Unfortunately, now this is super shameful. I have no idea what he's talking about. So please, if you have an idea what he's saying, please write it down in the comment section.
Thank you all. Thank you for that wonderful time. You are blessed all in Jesus' name. I see you are blessed in Jesus' name.
And now to more Bayangi music. As you can see, the man and children they are dressed up in the real traditional way of the Bayangi people, and they're dancing. It's so cool. If you ask me, I will say the dance that is presented, the Bayangi cultural dance that is presented by the women rather than the men is way more cool to watch. It's referred to as the seductive dance. Like the women move their body in a cool kind of way. Oh, it's so cool to watch. But unfortunately, I didn't get the chance to see such presentation here on that day. So yeah. But of course, this was an amazing presentation. The children enjoying themselves, the man being thrown money at. But of course, the dance was a really cool one to watch. And then came this man who was totally enjoying himself. Like, wow, oh my God, this day was such a fun-filled one. From the food, the food. That's another story. Food was so good, and there was palm wine as well. And then the presentations, and then getting to meet my friends, a few of my friends, and making new friends. The day was a complete package, if you ask me. So we finished with everything, the celebration, drinking, eating, chatting for long periods of time. And then it was time to go back home. We left there at about a few minutes to 4 a.m. And yes, the people were welcoming, the activities, oh my God. Some people there thought I was Bayangi, and they would talk to me in Bayangi language and expect me to reply, and I'm like, I'm lost. But then generally it was a really fun experience, and I'm looking forward to having more experiences as this actually. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you've watched so far, please do consider subscribing and also hit the like button. Please leave a comment. Tell me how this ride was on your side, because on my side it was totally fun and exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye.